Hey everyone, we're gonna make some ribeyes today. We're gonna smoke up these real thick, nice ribeyes on low to hit them with a little smoke, and then we're gonna kick temperature up and sear these guys. So let's get to it. All right, guys, we're gonna preheat that smoker to low, about 180 degrees. We want to season these with some salt and pepper. If you want to do something else, feel free. I like to be pretty basic when it comes to steak. Salt and pepper is good for me. Once it's preheated, we're going to throw these steaks right on the smoker rack and smoke for 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Once they're finished smoking, pull them off. We're going to tent them with aluminum foil and then crank the grill smoker up to 450 degrees. Once that's hot, I have my grill grates in there for some good sear marks. I'm going to put the steaks on, sear them about 3 minutes, rotate them 90 degrees, do another 3 minutes, and then flip them. And rotating at 90 degrees puts that nice checkered pattern on them. Cook these to your desired temp, and that's it. They have a great smoked flavor and taste amazing.